Hello and a warm welcome. You've joined us on Commodity Central right here on ET Now. I'm Ashesha Advaryu, and today on the show we're going to put the spotlight on India's gold market. After the kind of correction that we've seen on a year-to-date basis and after the 65% rally that we saw in last calendar year, gold prices have rather been muted over the last few months. So what is leading to that, and how have consumer trends shaped up in light of muted gold prices? To understand that, we are now joined by Mr. Nitin Kedia of All India Jewellers and Goldsmith Federation, who is now joining us. Mr. Kedia, thank you so much for taking your time out and joining us here on ET Now. And first up, what is the sense that you're getting from customers on ground now that gold prices have largely remained muted for most part of this year? How are consumer trends shaping up? Are consumers buying? Are they waiting on the sidelines in anticipation of further fall in gold prices?
Good afternoon, Asisha. Generally, August month, from consumer point of view, we see a very lackluster demand. But this is a month when we see a huge B2B demand, dealership demand, retail jewelers demand that comes and shapes up. And as we talk, there is a big exhibition going on in Mumbai, in Geo and Nesco both, and around 45 jewelers across India. They are in Mumbai to do the purchasing before the festival season. And after 5 or 6 years, this year we have seen a massive buying coming from these retail jewelers, which shows that they have a feedback from their customers who wants to see the new design, and probably this new designs, these new collection, new launches, that all will is going to land up in next 20 to 25 days in their showroom, and we expect a good festival demand coming up this next quarter. Ashisha.
Okay, Mr. Kedia, while we are talking about festival demand, can you quantify for us, as compared to last year when gold prices had shot up quite a bit, what kind of festive and wedding season demand do you expect this year in volume terms? Do you expect it to be much higher? And if yes, can you quantify? Double-digit growth is what you're expecting?
See, last year what happened that everybody was in shock when the prices were shooting at, and they started moving up from the month of August only, and after 20th of August. So everybody was in surprise and was waiting that the prices are going to come down, because it was the first time that we saw that the gold moved up above 1 lakh, and by the time the festival season started, it was around 1 lakh 15,000, 1 lakh 20,000. Now the people, now in this last 1 year, the people have mostly accepted that this kind of price is going to continue, and we expect that probably this year we'll see a jewelry demand to increase by 20 to 25% between September and November.
Okay, so 20 to 25% growth in jewelry demand is what you're expecting between September and November. But Mr. Kedia, let's also talk about the trends in terms of, are customers choosing lightweight jewelry now as opposed to heavy jewelry that was being done for wedding purchases, say 5 or 10 years back? What are the trends with respect to what consumers are buying now versus what it was a couple of years ago?
Definitely, there is a demand of the low volume. Let me tell you that I never heard about 1 gram gold jewelry or 2 gram gold jewelry in such a big way that we are hearing this time, because a lot of jeweler have called me up, those who are in Mumbai for this IHS. They are calling up and asking, do you know any manufacturer who manufactures 1 gram or 2 gram gold jewelry? Because 1 gram is costing around somewhere around 15,000 or 30,000. So low pocket area, people are preferring for this kind of weightage. So the B2B demand shows that there is definitely a B2C demand, and this is a surprise to me. First time that this 2 gram jewelry is picking up, and the most important thing that this particular segment does not come under hallmark. So with your channel, I want to tell the customers also that when you are buying a 2 gram jewelry, please make sure that you are buying it from a BIS registered hallmark shop, because this doesn't comes under the hallmark purview. Ashisha ji.
Clearly, so lightweight jewelry is one theme that is perhaps catching up in the market, and as you pointed out, 1 gram and 2 gram jewelry is also making the rounds and is in high demand at this point in time. But let's also talk about the emergence of lab-grown diamonds and how that has shaped the industry. Has it impacted real diamond sales, and what are the trends that are shaping up with respect to natural diamond versus lab-grown diamond?
There's the base of the difference has gone down. So now what we are seeing that for last 4 or 5 months, people are again shifting to the natural diamond, and I think that is a very good practice. And probably this festival season will see the natural diamond demand picking up, because lot of customers, they are coming up and they are asking for the natural diamond, because when they compare the prices between the lab grown and natural, they find that the spread is quite low. And if the spread is so low, then why go for a lab grown diamond? Why not go for a natural diamond? So after several years, we are seeing that the demand of natural diamond is again going to pick it up. But I think this will now be a cycle when we'll see a natural demand going up, and then the difference will also increase. Then people will again go for a lab grown diamond. So sticking for this year, definitely we are going to see that natural diamond demand will surpass the lab grown.
Okay, so natural diamond demand is likely to surpass lab-grown diamond. That's the word coming in. But let's also talk about what consumers are feeling on ground with respect to where the gold and silver prices are headed. Are consumers also waiting on the sidelines in anticipation of further fall in prices to purchase more? Is that the sense that you're getting from customers on ground?
See, definitely the people are feeling that 1,25,000, 1,20,000 will come. But the way prices have shot up in last 2 or 3 days, we are seeing that the more and more people have now started inquiring about the price, whether they will go up or not. And probably we'll see a demand shooting up if they cross and sustain over 1,51,000, because those who wants to buy for a festival, or for the marriages, or for some functions in their family, they'll definitely do not want to buy it at around 1,60,000 or 1,70,000 again. So probably people are waiting for 1,51,000. If that crosses, then more and more people are going to come in showroom and book. As of now, the feeling on the ground is that probably prices are going to be stable around 1,40,000, 1,42,000.